Hey, you. Thank you for being here once again. I really appreciate it. It makes me so happy to know that I've helped so many people and encouraged so many people and leaving an impact on the world as amazing counselors like yourself are out here advocating, supporting clients, and trying to make this world a better place. So I'm happy to be a part of your journey. I do have a big announcement. So I will be coming out with a book soon. It will be dropping the end of this month. I will let you all know what it is about in a little bit more detail, but I'm very, very thrilled about it. And I've been working on this book for about 3 years. It's based on experiences that I had with tutoring students, their experiences, what they see on the exam, what has been helpful for them. So this is applicable. This book is applicable to all the counseling exams as far as the NCE, CPCE, CEC, and National Clinical Mental Health Counseling exam. So this is my baby. This is my baby I'm sharing with you all. And I am happy to take the learning styles that I've seen work with various students and put it into a document, a book, a study guide, a workbook that'll help you organize and study and have more structure. So I will be giving you more information on that as the days continue on. I'm doing the finalizations for edit. And yeah, so thank you for being here. If you have not liked and subscribed, please do so. That helps me boost my channel so I can reach other people to help them as well. That is my ultimate goal, is to be a helper in the field of counseling, as you all are helpers for the community, just like myself. So happy studying. So here are the codes. As promised, you will put these codes into the Wayground app. It's more preferred to use it on your computer because the app sometimes be acting iffy and be being weird and having to keep logging back in. And yeah, it's just unnecessary sometimes. So hopefully soon Wayground will be better with these apps, well, with this app, so they can pull it together ever since they changed their name to Wayground. So these codes are good until April the 3rd. You'll be able to take a break, come back to them, do, study notes as well. I make sure the questions are 15 minutes each. So you have that 15 minutes to go through the answer options, whether you have gotten it wrong or right, and look at the explanation without feeling like you have to rush. The answers are presented after each question, therefore you're able to see which ones you got incorrect and which ones you had gotten incorrect. Well, I think I said incorrect twice. So the ones you've gotten correct and the ones you've gotten incorrect. Yes, there. So happy studying. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me at genevatutoringprep@gmail.com. And yeah, I'm excited about this book, you all. So if you have any questions, place them into the comment section of this description of this video. So yeah, so happy studying and happy March.